Hello and welcome to Easy How To Videos. In this video, I will show you how to upload a video to your Google Drive. First, we open Google Drive by typing www.google.com/drive. We can sign in using our Gmail account, or we can also click the Go to Drive button. And then Google will redirect us to the Google Drive page, and we are now on the My Drive folder. Here we can directly upload our files or create a folder so we can manage our uploaded files. To upload videos, we choose File Upload and search for videos that we want to upload. And then we click the Open button and we can see that the video is now uploading to our Google Drive. Wait until the process is finished and we can see our video in our Google Drive. After that, we can also share our video by adding people or group by writing their email address. Or we can also change the access to anyone with the link and get the shareable link. And now you can give the link to anyone you want to access the video. We can also change the role of those who can access the files as viewers, commenters, or editors. So that's it, my easy guide on how to upload and share videos to your Google Drive. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe so you won't miss out my others how to videos.